Join me as I make onion stew with egg and just fish. So guys, don't forget to share this video. So here is the pot I will use to cook this stew. I'm putting groundnut oil inside, guys. So the groundnut oil is already hot. I added salt. Here is the onions. I blended it a little before using it, as you can see on this video. It's a lot of onions, guys. Just watch this video to the end and see the process of how I cook this onion stew, guys. I cover it. As you can see, coming back again to check it, you see the color. If you want to cook your onions, you make sure the color is like this before adding any other thing. So here is pepper, guys. I added pepper inside, turn it together. Here is tin tomatoes. So I love using these tin tomatoes. This tin tomatoes is Derica tin tomatoes. In case if you want to cook yours the way I cook mine. I love it like this, mixing it with tomatoes, guys. So I'm back again to turn it, guys. As you can see the stew now. The stew is still eating. Now, so the stew sweet. Don't forget to follow my page for more video like this. Who they run now? Now only WAF material they run like this. So guys, I added curry inside. This is curry panda, guys. After curry powder, I use tuna maggi. I add tuna maggi. As you can see on this video. Guys, don't forget to follow my page for more video like this. I still dey talk and say, na me be the best cook for this app, guys. If you want to learn how to cook, contact me and I will teach you how to cook. Okay, guys, as it dey hot, it's time to add our mixed stock. This is the water I used to boil the fish. I'm not using meat, just crayfish and fish I use on this stew, guys. This is crayfish that I added inside after adding the water I used to boil the fish. So after that, I add the fish inside. This is the fish I fried. So I added it inside so that everything will circulate together. So that they will marry themselves very well. As you can see on this video. Guys, make sure you share this video to your loved ones to learn how to cook. After adding it, I say, let me chop some. I say, WAF material that I need to test it. So I cover it to cook. Here we are back again. Just take a look at this stew now. Just Lego this stew. Lego the onion stew. Go and try cook your stew like this and come and thank me later. So this is the egg I used. I added the egg inside and I turn it together. Guys, try cook this stew and come and thank me. Or you dey sell food. If you know say you dey sell food, cook this kind of stew taste. You will see the way you go sell. Now, so much customer go, they come meet you. So, take a look at the stew now. The stew is ready. Lego this stew. Lego this stew, guys. Who they run now? Now, WAF material. Now, only WAF material fit run like this. So, guys, don't forget to follow my page. Share and like and comment.